This animated website tutorial is probably the most advanced thing I have posted on this channel. We are building a full cinematic scroll experience, the kind you see on big brand websites, and think, how did they even do that? GSAP, Canvas, Smooth Scroll, and AI visuals, everything from scratch. And honestly, if you are a web developer or you are just trying to get clients, just having something like this in your portfolio changes the conversation completely. I am Suraj, 7 years experienced web developer. Let's just get into it. So here is the complete workflow. We are going to create our animated website using Antigravity. Okay. So here are the tools I have used. I have used Gemini AI to create the prompts. After that, I have used Google Wix to create the images needed for the website, especially for the hero sections and other animated sections. And after that, I have used Google Flow for video generations because it's needed to create the animation on the website. After that, I have used easygif.com to convert those video into image frames needed for the scroll animation. And finally, I have used the Google Antigravity to wipe code the website. Okay, so let me show you everything step by step so that you can follow it along and you can create yourself an animated website for yourself. Okay, so let's get started. So in order to create a stunning website like this, we will need an amazing prompt first. I have already drafted the complete document with the prompt, so you guys can simply copy it to create this kind of stunning looking website. So first of all, we will need to create the image for the start frame. We will be using Google Wix for it. So let me copy the prompt and let's go to Google Wix website. And let's paste our prompt and select the image ratio to 16:9. And let's hit enter to create the images. We will be using the free tool throughout this video so that you guys can simply follow up. Let me download and save this image as the start frame for phase 1. Okay, we have the 3 phases of animations in this complete website, so we will be need to create the assets for all the 3 phases. Okay, so after creating the phase 1 start frame, let's copy the prompt for the end frame now, and let's go to Google Wix again and let's create the end frame for the phase 1. Let me paste the prompt and let's hit enter, and this time we will be put the reference image of start frame so that the object remains consistent during our end frame creation. Okay, so let's wait for it. And amazing, our end frame is ready. So now let's save it as phase 1 end frame and let hit enter. And now let's move ahead and repeat the same process for the phase 2 and phase 3 so that we have the images ready for all the phases. So let me repeat the process. We have the prompts already listed here, so you guys can simply repeat the same process. Just need to change the prompt in the Google Wix and we will have the images for all the frames ready. Amazing, right? So we are now ready to move towards the video creation because it's essential for creating the animations. Okay, so in order to create the morphing videos, we will be using Google Flow, which is another free tool by Google. Okay, we have the prompts listed here. So let's copy the prompt for the phase 1. Let's go to Google Flow website and let's paste it here. And after that, let's upload the frames. Okay, we will need to select the frames over here and let's upload the start frame image and the end frame image we already created for this phase. Okay, so we are creating the video for phase 1 now. Okay, let me upload the end frame as well. Amazing, let's wait for it while it creates the video for us. And I'm selecting the VO 3.1 fast and this will be generated in 16:9. And look at this, it's looking insane. Amazing, guys. I liked this video so far, so let me simply upscale and download it. Let's wait for it while it's getting downloaded. And here it is, we have downloaded it and I have created a videos file under my private jet repository to save the videos. Okay, so let's name it phase 1 and let me repeat the same process for phase 2 and phase 3 to create the videos. So let me fast forward the video. Let's copy the prompt first for the phase 2 and here it is. Let me fast forward the video now. So we have the video ready for phase 2 as well, and it's looking insane already. I mean, look at this. The interior is revealing in a very tech savvy manner. Amazing. So let me save the video for the phase 2 as well, and let's repeat the same process for phase 3 as well. And look at this. Looks good. Amazing. So we have the videos ready for phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, and we are now ready towards creating the animated frames using these videos. Okay, for that we will be using a free tool named easyzip.com. So let's go to this website easyzip.com, and let's go to video tools. After that, let's click on to JPG, and let's upload the video for the phase 1. Let's navigate to our videos folder, and after that click on upload video, and the video will be uploaded. I have created a dedicated file named private jet for this project so that we can easily open it into Antigravity, and we will be able to access all the data, all the assets we have saved into this. Okay, after uploading the video you don't need to change anything, just click on convert to JPG, and it will give us 35 to 40 consistent frame from start to finish, and we will be able to download the video frames into JPG format as a zip file. Okay, we can simply extract it and then access the image files, the frame files. Okay, so let me save the zip file into the same private jet folder we have already created. Let's create an assets folder, and let's paste our zip file over here named as phase 1, and let me extract it. Let's extract the file, and we will have the images ready. Here are the image frames. Let me put it into the root folder. Amazing. Now let's delete the unnecessary files. So we have ready to move around 40 frames for phase 1. Let me show you. So here we go, and we can repeat the same process of frame creations for the phase 2 and phase 3. So let me repeat the process for phase 2 and phase 3 as well. Let me create a folder named phase 2, and after that let me do the same process for the phase 3 as well. Okay, so we have the frames ready for phase 2 and phase 3 as well. Amazing. You can repeat the same process to create the frames for yourself as well. We are now ready to move forward to the most important part of this video, which is wife coding the complete website using Google Antigravity. Okay, so we have our folder ready and everything, the assets ready. So let me open the Antigravity software, and after that let's open the private jet folder we already created and saved all the assets into it. We have already created the assets folder with the frames saved for phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3, which is essential to create the animation of the hero section for the website. Okay, so we have our master prompt ready for the website over here in our document. So let me simply copy it, and let's go to Google Antigravity and paste it there. After that, make sure to select the planning mode, and make sure to mention that the image frames are saved into the assets folder. Okay, so the IDE can easily access it from here. As you can see, the frames are saved over here. So these frames are essential to create the animations. After mentioning everything, make sure to hit enter, and it will start create the complete plan for the website. Okay, I'm mentioning that make sure to use the React and Tailwind CSS to create the website. And here we go. Antigravity has created the first prototype, and it's using its agentic mode to take the screenshots and make sure the website loads correctly and making all the debugging. So let's wait for it, and we have the website ready. Now let's open and check it out. Amazing. Just look at this. Oh my goodness. So everything is looking amazing, and this private jet rental website is looking insane, guys. Just look at this, the animation, the morphings and the everything. Everything is looking pretty smooth and the text are getting changed when I scroll up and down. I mean, just look at this. I really like the first prototype of the website. We can simply make the few changes on it, and after that we will be able to pitch this kind of website to any client, any private jet owner company who might be interested in this kind of rental website for their brand, because it's looking so premium and unique in its own way. So let me paste a prompt over here that put a menu on the website, and also make sure to add all the necessary sections so that it will give us the vibe of complete website, so that we can pitch it to any private jet rental owner. And you can easily sell this kind of website for 20 to $50,000 for this kind of big brand website, because they are already high ticket clients and they might be interested in this kind of premium website which looks amazing already and make their brand look unique. Okay, so let me hit enter, and Antigravity will do all the heavy liftings and make all the changes. Now check out the website again and look at this. I mean, just look at this. It's looking insane, guys. Okay. Wow. It's completely mind blowing. Now check out this hotspot. They contains the information about the jets as well. I mean, just look at this, and we are just using the simple prompts I have already created. If you wanna access it, then you will find the link into the description, or just comment prompt I will send you personally. And look at these sections mentioning features and informations, and it's looking premium, amazing. Everything is looking consistent. We have the button to initiate the reservation as well. We can simply connect it to any pop-up form or WhatsApp or any other location we like. Okay, I really like this website so far. What's your take on it? What's your thought on it? If you have liked this video, then make sure to like this video, comment on this video, and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in the next videos. Till then, thank you very much. If you have any project or website to get developed with my team, then make sure to contact me on my website. You will find the link of my website in the description. Okay, I will meet you guys in the next videos. Bye bye. Take care.